Man, look at that. Everything's dialed in. I'm liking what I'm seeing. All right, so what's going on, everybody? I signed up for a drift event. It takes place 1 week from today. I think it's called JP Spirit or something. It's all the way in Richmond, which is 2 hours away from where I'm at in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area, DMV. And so far, the SC is almost 100% ready to participate in this event. It is missing two things. There's two things that I have to tackle here. So I need to do that ASAP. So let me show you what I'm talking about. First thing is, well, this is my first time doing anything like this. I've never actually participated in an event before, and it is a novice beginner session. So I'm not sure if there's going to be an instructor. I hope there will be, so that way there's somebody sitting next to me to tell me what I'm gonna do. But this door handle broke last weekend. So I'm pretty sure this is not gonna pass tech. And I need a fire extinguisher. Now, if you know anything about the SC platform, there's not really anywhere for you to mount a fire extinguisher in the car. So I don't feel like drilling holes anywhere. So I think I found a solution online that is over here, okay? So here's my replacement door handle. And here is something called a Bracketeer. Now, I was doing a lot of research online, trying to find something that's not as, you know, an inconvenience as far as drilling holes and installing some sort of, starting some sort of cage inside the car. This right here is called the Bracketeer. And what this does is it allows you to mount this bracket to the bottom of your seat or to the bottom of the passenger seat, and you can actually hook up a fire extinguisher, if you could look at that picture right here, to the bottom of it. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out, see if this is gonna work. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along for the journey. And hopefully if this works out, maybe you guys will try this out for yourself, and yeah, we'll see what happens. So what I'm getting ready to do is, first things first, is I'm gonna tackle this door handle. I'm gonna unbolt all of these, what do you call it, all these screws here that are all over the place. If you guys seen my video on me doing the window regulator, this has come off before, so it's not too bad. We'll go ahead and we'll take it off again, and we'll tackle that first. So I'm gonna do that right now, and yeah, let's jump right in. All right, so I just got done with the door handle. Let me show you what that looks like. Here it is. Works perfectly fine. I got in, got out, no issues. The clip on the back of this door lock mechanism here, there's two clips. There's a top clip and a bottom clip. The top clip was broken. I didn't inspect it. Shame on me. I should have inspected that when I opened the package, but no big deal. Right now, I don't have time to wait around. The fact that the door won't lock and unlock, I mean, it still does. You know, it's just that clip is messing with it. That's not going to fail tech. What's going to fail tech is the fact that this door handle was broken. We got that fixed. Now it's time to address the fire extinguisher location, which mounts somewhere on the bottom seat here. It's going to bolt up to that bolt and that bolt right there. So yeah, first thing I want to do is we're gonna assemble this bad boy, figure that out. Sorry for all the movement here. We're gonna assemble this and put it all together. Then we will install it inside the car. So let's see how that looks. All right, so I'm almost done. The only thing I'm missing right now is my fire extinguisher. It's about 1 day away, according to the tracking information, but let me show you what I have so far. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so the bracket's installed. I have an extra mounting arm that goes on this side here, but I'm gonna wait until I have my fire extinguisher so I can really button everything up and play with that. But I think this is gonna work very, very, very well. So yeah, that's the only thing I'm missing. Yeah, but it was a pretty, I think, productive day. You know, I got the door handle put in. I was able to get in and out. Got the fire extinguisher almost mounted, just missing the fire extinguisher. So I say we're almost ready for drifting. Only thing left to do is just, you know, go to the event and see how this all plays out, man. So I'm gonna jump back on as soon as I have the fire extinguisher, and yeah, I'll be right back. All right, so I am back, and it's been about a couple of days, just like I said it would be, but I went ahead and I installed the fire extinguisher. Basically, it was just two little bolts that you bolt into the bracket. I'm gonna show you what that looks like here. So you can see behind me, the sun is going down right there. And the time now is only 5 o'clock, so. All right, let me go ahead and show you what we got here. So here is the fire extinguisher. Let me put some light on this here for a second. So we got the fire extinguisher with these brackets. Let me see if will that stay here? Perfect, stay right there, good. There it goes, it stays like that. All right, so, all right, let's pull this out. Set that to the side. And you can see we got one there, one there. Play with that. You know, overall this is a pretty good kit. If you guys don't want to drill holes in your chassis, this works very, very, very well. Ooh, sorry. Guess my gimbal did not like that. Anyways, if you guys like what you've seen so far, hit that subscribe button. Once again, I do have a drift event coming up this weekend, so wish me luck on that. And yeah, really excited. I'm gonna document that whole experience. So we'll see what happens there. But in the meantime, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.